Uniting through dance, exploring, join hands and dance. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase, join hands and dance. This expression is not just about physical movements but carries deeper meanings of unity, cooperation, and joy. Whether you're learning English or simply love exploring the richness of expressions, this video will illuminate the significance of coming together to dance, both literally and metaphorically. Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Join hands and dance is a phrase that beautifully combines two actions, joining hands and dancing. To join hands means to come together and connect with others, symbolizing unity and solidarity. It's a gesture of friendship and support. Dance, on the other hand, is a form of expression through movement, often associated with joy, celebration, and freedom. When we put these concepts together, the phrase invites people to unite and share in the joy and celebration of life. It's about creating a bond and moving in harmony with one another. Beyond its literal meaning, join hands and dance holds a powerful symbolic significance. It encourages us to overcome differences, work together towards common goals, and celebrate our shared humanity. This expression can be seen as a call to action in times of division, reminding us of the strength found in unity and the joy in collective endeavor. It suggests that, by coming together, we can create something beautiful and powerful, much like a group of dancers moving in sync to create a captivating performance. While you might not hear "join hands and dance" in everyday conversations, its sentiment is widely applicable in various contexts. From community events to social movements, the idea of coming together to achieve something or celebrate is universal. This phrase could be used metaphorically in speeches, writings, or discussions about collaboration, unity, and shared joy. It embodies the spirit of teamwork and the importance of connection in achieving common objectives. The concept of joining hands and dancing together transcends cultures, highlighting the universal human experiences of connection and celebration. Many cultures have traditional dances that involve holding hands or moving in a group, symbolizing unity, tradition, and social cohesion. This phrase can remind us of our shared cultural heritage and the power of dance as a means to bring people together, bridge gaps, and foster a sense of belonging and community. Join hands and dance is more than just an instruction. It's an invitation to embrace unity, celebrate diversity, and find joy in togetherness. As we explore English expressions and their meanings, it's essential to appreciate the deeper messages they convey about human connection and the beauty of collective expression. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory journey. May you always find reasons to join hands with those around you and dance through the rhythms of life. We hope this video has been enlightening and inspiring. Until next time, keep dancing through the language of English and beyond.